2015年の実績でございますが、経営環境はもうご案内の通りの状況でございましたが、3期連続の増収増益となりまして、持続的成長の基盤づくりとなったというふうに考えています。
I would now like to summarize our 2015 business results. Net sales were 1,615.4 billion yen, 106% of the previous fiscal year. Operating income was 120.4 billion yen, 138% of the previous fiscal year. Sales and income increased centered on developed markets. In 2016, we anticipate continued sluggishness in emerging markets, as well as having to work in a difficult currency environment. However, through increased earning power and placing more emphasis on growth investment, we expect the following business forecast for 2016. Net sales of 1,700 billion yen, 105% of the previous fiscal year, and operating income of 120 billion yen, 100% of the previous fiscal year. Next, I will discuss net sales and operating income for each business segment. First, the results for 2015 are as follows. Net sales showed an increase in all the products from the previous fiscal year. Motorcycle business at 1,016 billion yen. Marine at 303.4 billion yen. Power products at 161.5 billion yen. And other segments at 134.5 billion yen. Operating income also showed an increase in all the business segments from the previous fiscal year. Motorcycle business at 31.9 billion yen. Marine at 60.2 billion yen. Power products at 13.2 billion yen. And other segments at 15.2 billion yen. The company considers return on equity to be one of its most important management indicators, and it will continue undertaking management with an emphasis on ROE as it did in the previous medium term. While increasing our equity ratio, we will also increase the net income ratio in our core businesses. Increasing the net income ratio, which is a component of the ROE formula, will help maintain ROE at a standard of approximately 15%. The strategies we will use for realizing this are shown on the left in business management, and the 6 specific measures are shown as our main initiatives. I will explain about our measures for each business segment in a moment. I will now explain about our profitability. Income increased significantly in 2015 due to increased sales and effect of product mix in developed markets through the launch of products in the higher price range, and also from cost reductions in the promotion of platform strategies in emerging markets. In 2016, we will continue to launch unique and attractive products and continue to deliver cost reductions. By doing so, we forecast an income at a level equivalent to that of the previous fiscal year, while also investing resources for future growth strategies. I will now explain the state of our return on assets. In developed markets, we will reduce the inventory held from 7.1 months' worth in 2015 to 6.1 months' worth in 2016, through initiatives such as integrated management from production to retail, reducing production lead times, stock level management, and building a supply structure to customers. In emerging markets, we will reduce the inventory held to 2.1 months' worth, which increased to 2.6 months' worth in 2015, through initiatives such as reviewing the global production structure, reducing import and export lead times, and upgrading the sales network. In the 2016 to 2018 medium-term management plan, we will work to expand finance businesses that support existing businesses. To begin with, in 2016, we will work to strengthen the operating platform of the finance businesses. As part of that, we will expand retail finance. we are aiming for a receivables balance of 300 billion yen and ROA of 5% in 2018. As shown in the graph, we will increase equity from 560 billion yen in 2016 to 700 billion yen in 2018. We will increase the equity ratio from 40% in 2016 to 42.5% in 2018. Normally, if the equity ratio is increased, the ROE will decrease, but we will increase equity while maintaining an ROE level of approximately 15%. I will explain about our cash flow arrangements in the next fiscal year. In 2015, we increased business income in our core businesses, but due to the decrease in net income from one-off taxation factors, etc., and the increase in working capital, cash flow was negative. In 2016, we will increase our earning power and apply the cash generated from initiatives to improve the return on assets, such as SCM, to invest resources in growth fields and increase stock dividends. I will now explain the state of our stock dividends. For 2015, we plan to pay dividends of 44 yen per share. We plan to pay dividends per share in 2016 of 35 yen for the first half year and 35 yen for the second half year, for a total of 70 yen. From here, I will explain the measures in each business. We will roll out high-efficiency business model management in the motorcycle business. This includes 3 types of measures: business efficiency, product competitiveness, and marketing to create strong ties with the customer. Measures to increase efficiency include promoting the aggregation of vehicle body and engine development, cost reductions, and the reduction of distribution inventories. Measures will be rolled out in each region regarding product competitiveness and marketing. In the marine products business, we have the goal of competing in the 3 trillion yen global marine market. The first measure to do so is transitioning from being an engine supplier to a system supplier. This means providing a wide range of value through creating packages including engines, peripheral equipment, and hull strategies. The second measure is making a firmly global #1 brand. Based on comprehensive business strength, reliability, and networking strength, we will further enhance the Yamaha brand. I will now explain the state of our power products, other business segments. Building a unique business model is a major target in this field. We aim for the recreational vehicle business to become our 3rd core business after motorcycles and marine, for the intelligent machinery business to become a high profitability business by leveraging its strengths, and for the unmanned helicopters business to become a global business, and we are rolling out measures accordingly.
以上が今年の状況でございます。ありがとうございました。